Hi, I'm Emily Russell and I teach physical education at Enders Leadership and Community Service Magnet.
I'm Lauren Haney. I teach physical education also at Enders Leadership and Community Service Magnet and Jefferson Elementary.
And today our activity is hand soccer. We're going to focus on striking with our hands and offense and defense. You're going to need 2 baskets or 2 goals and a ball. Any type of ball will work, but you need to make sure it's safe for your house. It's best to have a partner, but you can have 2 versus 2, whatever you have with your family. Your goal is to strike with your hand, keeping that ball on the ground flat, and you're trying to score as many goals as you can while working on offense and defense. During this game, you can be standing, kneeling, or sitting. For today's demonstration, we are going to stand, and I've noticed that when you are standing, you work a lot more muscles and it's a little bit harder. So we're going to demonstrate for you. Ready?
Yep.
Oh. Oh.
That was close.
And we made a goal, yay! That was hand soccer, and all you need are 2 sets of goals. You can use laundry baskets, but if you have 2 pillows or 2 books, whatever you have to set your goal, and then a safe ball for the room you're in, and then a partner or teammate, and we hope you're staying active and staying safe at home.